Among so many indoor plants, the snake plant has a must-have. There are plenty of snake plant benefits to talk about. A recently published study claims that indoor air pollution can be as deadly as outdoor air pollution. There are many ways to reduce indoor air pollution and to control them. Many household plants are strategically placed for decoration and to maintain shield. But did you know that some of these same herbs also have health benefits? The snake plant is one of those plants known for both good looks and improved air quality. It is commonly referred to as mother-in-law's tongue. Snake plant is a resilient succulent that can grow anywhere between 6 inches to several feet. In addition to providing a bit of ambience, snake plants have a number of health benefits. Watch on to learn more about the snake plant and its health benefits. In this video, I'm going to share 7 health benefits of keeping snake plant in your room or house, so let's start. Benefit number 1: a great oxygen-producing houseplant. A summary of the study, published in Harvard University Extension, observes that the snake plant is one of the most oxygen-producing houseplants. Number 2: filter indoor air. Similar to other household succulents, snake plants help filter indoor air. What is unique about this particular plant is that it is one of the few plants capable of converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. At night, this quality makes it an ideal plant for bedroom decoration, as it can help regulate healthy airflow. Number 3: looks nice in bedroom. Besides being one of the best air purifying houseplants, it looks so beautiful and unique. The thick, tall, unsloped foliage looks so man-made, and on top of it the shades of green, yellow, or gray with the horizontal stripes make it a desirable houseplant. Number 4: remove toxic pollutants. Snake plants are also known for their ability to help remove toxic air pollutants. Although in small contributions, snake plants can take up carcinogenic pollutants, including carbon dioxide, benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. They make air pollutant-free. Number 5: effective against allergies. A plant that releases oxygen, reduces CO2, and absorbs harmful volatile organic compounds can certainly reduce the chances of airborne allergies. The snake plant is such a plant. Even if you use air filters and purifiers, surrounding yourself to snake plants help. Snake plants acts as an effective defense against airborne allergies. No. 6. Protective energy and feng shui. Some people think that the snake plant is not a good plant when it comes to feng shui. This is far from true if placed in an ideal position. It brings protective and purify energy to the home or office. You need to place them in less traffic areas. Some of the best spots are southeastern, southern, and eastern corners. In feng shui, prickly plants are considered excellent against negative qi. No. 7. Low maintenance. Snake plant is one of the best low-maintenance houseplants in the world. It can thrive in full sun, in full shade, and lack of water. Snake plant care is very straightforward. These plants can be neglected for weeks at a time, yet with their strappy leaves and architectural shape, they still look fresh. Hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching.